Okay, the first thing is about what is economy. So if you are here is because you want to learn economy. So the first thing is this. So what is economy? So it's not about money. Yeah, yeah, because sometimes people are thinking, oh, economy. Ah, they are thinking money. No, we are not thinking money. We are not studying the money. So before to answer this question, I want to make two more questions to help you to understand economy. Now, what is study economy and why is important economy? So think about a little bit. Think about it. So economy is not about money. Economy is about scarcity. Economy studies the scarcity of resources, how we can get goods and services despite an understanding that the resources are limited. Scarcity and needs. If we don't have scarcity, we don't need to study economy. No, because it's important to understand that if we think in economy, we think in needs and in scarcity. The people feel needs to get a car, get a Camaro, get apples, food. Okay, Camaro is my favorite car. I don't have a Camaro. Okay, and the economy study how satisfy that needs. What is economy? What is study economy? Why is important economy? No? The economy is a science that studies the scarcity of resources and how to help the people to satisfy their needs. It's not about money, it's about satisfy their needs because we live in with scarcity. The economy has two branches. Now, microeconomics and macroeconomics. Microeconomics, it's about small things, for example, farms, families, industries. So macroeconomics, it's about the economy as a whole. For example, inflation, poverty, the government acting with the rest of the world, inflation, PIB. Okay, so I will make more videos about those topics. But for today, just you need to understand that economy has two branches: microeconomics, small things, and macroeconomics, the economy as a whole. Basic concepts: market, no? The place, physical or virtual, where people act to decide at price a good. Now, why virtual? Because people are searching on Google to buy something, not virtual. Easy, easy, no? Easy. Demand. All people, firms, industries that need something, the quantity of good and services that people in industries get. Now, supply is for the other hand, the goods and services that firms, industries, families give to someone. Now, demand, I receive, I get, but supply, I give, I offer. Characteristics of the demand. No? Decreasing in better relation with the price and the quantity, highest price, lowest quantity, negative slope. Why highest price, lowest quantity? It is the reason. It is the reason. So look at this. We have price of houses and quantity of houses. No? If the price of houses is low, for example, to $200,000, I will buy just 8 houses. No? But what happens if the price grows? If the price grows, obviously, it is impossible to me to buy 8 houses. I will buy just 2 houses. It is just for example. No, I don't know your budget, but this is the reason that demand is highest price and low quantity. No, price low, high quantity. Okay. The determinants of demand. Determinant. What constitutes the cause that determines or decides something that is considered important? No? Price. Highest price, lowest quantity. Consumer. Taste and preference. Incomes. If I receive more incomes, I will buy more. But if I receive a little, I will buy a little. Complementary goods price. Price high complementary good, lowest demand. No? If the price is high, it's difficult to access to me, to buy to me. No? This is in general. No? I don't know your budget. Supply characteristics, no? Positive slope, direct relation to price, highest price, highest quantity. This is for the other hand. No? If the price is high, more quantity. But why? Because we are thinking like a firm, like a business. Now, if I am producing, I am making something to buy, to sell. Sorry, to sell. If my price is high, it is good for my company. But if the price is low, it's not good for my company. No. We want to receive high incomes. Determinants of supply, also known as factors affecting supply. Incomes, price, suppliers' expectations, change in expectations of suppliers about future price of a product or service may affect their current supply. Example, we supply t-shirts and sweaters. The winter comes and the people are buying more sweaters than t-shirts. So the sweaters price increase and the t-shirt not. The new winter comes and we expect that we need to supply more sweaters than t-shirts because the price of the sweaters increase. No? Spider-Man. Sorry, Spider-Man. Sorry. Determinants of supply, also known as factors affecting supply. Prices of joint products, technology. I want to talk about a little about technology because we have labor, land, capital. You know, with labor, I will produce. With land, I need a land to produce. Capital, it's important, but capital is not just money. So, for example, capital, for example, you have a restaurant and you are delivering food. Then you need a car. That car helps you to deliver food. So your car is your capital because your car is helping to produce. But if you have another car to travel with your family, that car is not producing anything. Then that car is not a capital. Prices of joint products. For example, if I produce milk and cheese and the price of cheese increase, I will produce more cheese than milk. Thank you so much for enjoying my video. I hope you are understanding economy. You are in the beginner. In the future, you will see difficult things, but it's not impossible. So I hope you can subscribe and invite your friends to watch my videos. Thank you so much, my friends. See you in the next topic, in the next time. Bye-bye.